Hey there, I'm Miss Guy, and I will be your SOC 213 or Sociology of the Family instructor for this semester. Sociology of the Family is one of my most favorite sociology classes to teach. So I hope you're going to feel that way when you get to the end of this class. I hope you're going to say, oh, this is one of the best classes that I have taken. Learning about how the family unit plays such an important part in a person's life and how family units are such an important part in the smooth functioning of society is intriguing to me. So hopefully I will pass some of that interest onto you as well. You'll see on the right-hand side of the screen, there is a picture of me and my family. That is my husband, Mark. He is a firefighter and tends our family farm. That is our daughter, Marley. She is in 6th grade. She does dance and a new thing called aerial, which is sort of like gymnastics in the air. She's our little diva. And then the little guy there is Kason. We call him Case. He has recently started kindergarten. He is an avid fisherman and a very, very brutal Nerf war battler. If any of you have any experience with little guys that love Nerf guns, he is definitely one of those people. So that is an introduction to my family unit. You'll have a chance in session 0, which is the very first session that we start off with, to introduce me to some aspects of your family as well. Okay, so what you're seeing on the screen here is our Moodle course, but keep in mind that even though this video is being sent out to you prior to the beginning of the semester, you actually won't be able to see what you see now until Monday morning. So I'm hoping that by showing this to you now, you'll feel more prepared. So when Monday rolls around, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep in mind that this is an online course. That means that we do not meet at any particular day or time. This means that you will see the work, do the work independently when it is best for you, and then you will submit your coursework by the deadlines. That does not mean that you and I cannot meet. So I can certainly meet you on campus if you're here for other classes, or we can meet electronically, we can chat via email. I'm always here to help you with your questions and concerns. I'm just not requiring you to be in attendance anywhere. You'll see in the top part of the screen the choices in relationship. This is the textbook thumbnail, so that's what your textbook will look like. This is available for you at the bookstore here on campus. And if you haven't already purchased this, I do need you to go ahead and start moving in that direction. Please make sure that you have it and you're ready to use it, because you are going to use it for coursework. The very first week, I have created assignments where you don't have to have the textbook, just in case there's a shipping delay. In the top of the course, you're going to see here some important links. Here's the introduction video. If you didn't get a chance to watch it via this email that I have sent, you're welcome to watch it. It's linked in the top of the Moodle course. Our course syllabus is here, and I am going to beg you to please read the course syllabus just so you are aware of how we're grading, how we're taking attendance, what the late work policy is, all of those things, super important for you to understand. And then here's a due date to document. I would love for you to be able to print this out and keep it in a binder or keep it somewhere taped to your wall at home, just so you're aware of the deadlines and working to meet them. Those deadlines you're going to notice are all Monday deadlines. So every Monday at 11:55 p.m., a session will be complete. So you need to make sure that you are working ahead of the deadlines. Just because there's a Monday deadline doesn't mean you need to do the work on Monday. you can do the work over the weekend and go ahead and turn it in early. Please don't wait until Monday or Monday night to start doing any of the work. That does not give you and I enough time to communicate with that 24-hour response time to get your questions answered for you to get your things turned in on time. So keep that in mind as you start to carve out some time for working on your online classes. Here, you'll see some helpful links. Here's a discussion board. If you ever have any questions, you can ask them. Here's information on looking at your grades in Moodle, and then there's a link to something called Crash Course Sociology that you'll find out more about in the coming days. The first thing that you're going to do when you get started in our course on Monday is to complete this enrollment verification activity. Now, this section can open and close by toggling and clicking on the gray bar here. So you are going to complete the enrollment verification activity. Now, I am not going to click on this because it looks very different for me as an instructor than it does for you as a student, but you will click on this link, this enrollment verification activity. This is going to ask you just a few simple questions. You're going to answer those, and then it's going to prompt you to complete an online orientation. This is fairly quick, just to review for you how to do certain things in online courses and in Moodle. When you get to the end of that orientation, it is going to give you a certificate that you can download. And you're going to take that certificate and you're going to upload it into this link here, the NCC Online Orientation course. You only have to do that online orientation one time. Now, if you've taken courses at Nash in the past, you do have to redo it again because it starts over every fall. So your certificate of completion does have to say 2022 to 2023 school year. But you only do that one time, and you can put that certificate in there for all of your online classes. When you get that certificate turned in, it's going to open up the course for you, and then you'll be able to see session 0. So in this course, we are going to start with session 0 because I'm just going to kind of get you started in sociology and what that means in the beginning. So I hope that this has been a good introduction. You kind of know what to expect come Monday. If you have any questions, certainly reach out, send me an email. I'll be happy to answer them or calm your fears. And the most important thing for you to do now is enjoy the weekend, do some rest, some relaxation, and get ready for a fantastic fall semester because we're going to have a lot of fun. I look forward to getting to know everyone and working with you come Monday.